So from any screen, if you go to telephone there, it's asking you to search for new mobile. Well, you've got settings here in the corner. So the bottom right hand corner corresponds to this button next to the rotary control, telephone settings and Bluetooth. So we turn that rotary control down to Bluetooth, and you've got Bluetooth discoverability, Bluetooth audio player, find Bluetooth devices and bonded Bluetooth devices. That's the one we want. We click on that, Barry's iPhone there, click on that, and we want to delete it. That's the first option. Do you really want to delete this device? Existing Bluetooth connections will be disconnected. So it's defaulting to no. We turn the control on to yes, click yes, and it's gone.